Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to learn how to set up Stark VPN Reloaded tweak settings to speed up your internet connection on your device. To begin, you will need to install Stark VPN Reloaded from the Google Play Store. Once installed, launch the app to access the home screen. On the home screen, tap on the gear icon to access the tweak list. In the tweak list, carefully select your country tweak represented by your country's flag. This step is important to ensure that you choose the right settings for your country. After selecting the appropriate tweak, the app will take you back to the home screen. Now, tap on the large Start button to activate the tweak settings. You should now experience super fast and improved internet speed with Stark VPN Reloaded tweak settings. Don't forget to join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels, links provided in the description, for more updates and information. We appreciate your comments, likes, and subscriptions to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching and happy browsing with Stark VPN Reloaded.